Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am excited. Check this out. We got a paved runway. I joined a local flight club and this is our field. Check this out. This is amazing. It's my first time here. I got the apprentice. I got the timber. They're still calling for rain. We got a small window. I'm gonna take it. Let's fly. Gotta have it. This is so much nicer than the high school. I don't have to wait for people. I don't have to wait for the weekend. And look, man, it's in the middle of nowhere. Peaceful. We got these tables, which I'm not quite sure. I imagine you put the plane in front of here and maybe your tail wheel sticks back here and you throttle up, but that doesn't work very well when you have a tricycle gear like on this plane. I guess it can work a little bit, but I got that little plane there, so ooh, all right. I did want to bring the glider out here, but like I said, it's been raining. You can see some water over there on the runway. I wasn't sure. I've never been to this field, so I wasn't sure how the glider would do. And you know, it is quite bumpy through here. Probably best way would probably be to land far out, but I will definitely bring the glider here because man, we just got a lot of room. Ooh, maybe I'll finally get some run cam footage out of here. Yeah, that'd be exciting. Fortunately, we kind of got a crosswind here. I wish they had. I'm gonna have to bring like a little flag or something here. That way I can kind of visually see where the wind's coming from, but it definitely feels like it's coming this way. Whew, all right. Let me see if I'm on. Oh, there we go. I was not on the full rates. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. All right. Woo! Let's go, man. We got a runway. This is exciting. Oh, she is not liking that camera. Oh yeah, she's definitely not liking the camera. Look, if I let go, man, she wants to nosedive. Oops, my bad. Maybe I should just stay away from that for a while. Let's see if we get a. Oh wow, it's gonna want to come in fast. Oh wow. Yeah, I shouldn't have put the camera on there. Well, it needs to be further back, that's for sure. I really thought this big of a plane, it really wouldn't bother it, but I guess anything you do to upset the CG. All right, well, hopefully I got some good video from that. We're gonna land it, and I hope I don't break that front landing gear. It's very delicate, but we got a lot of runway here. I should be able to ease it on down. All right, here we go. I'm gonna bring in with some power. Ooh, rudder, rudder, rudder. Boy! Wow, that was horrible. I'm sorry, little plane. Guess I need to adjust that front gear. It's see, look. Oh, that's what I was gonna mention. I was thinking about bringing the Habu here too, but look at how far this thing coasts. Now the Habu's got thrust reverse. So I was tempted, but so I wonder maybe I should, if I put this back a little bit more. Let's see. Now it feels like I gotta. Whew. All right, let's go. No. Yeah, I gotta adjust that. Oh, I'm not in sync. Hey. I'm sorry. I forgot, man. When I was taxiing, I took it out of safe mode and I took off. What I should have done is focused on getting it level and then finding the switch, but I'm so used to the bottom switch there on my other planes. This switch is the safe mode. This plane is supposed to have 3 different safe modes. So I hit this switch and I thought it would just save itself, but it was so close to the ground. Oh well, live and learn. But I messed up something here on the servo. I'm not sure if it's the servo or if it's that horn right there, but look, I mean, that's still, it moves a little bit, but when you get to that spot, it's just dead. So even if I could find the the 3 other, or I'm missing, well, one's there, snapped, if you guys can see that, 1 rubber band. I don't know where the other 2 went. I've been all up in, I mean, look, not like it hides. It's should be fairly easy to spot, but oh man, that sucks. It's all part of flying. I mean, at least the plane is in good shape. We just got a little bit more dirt here. Fortunately, we didn't break the cowl. We didn't do any of that, so nothing happened. We just got to replace a servo. That could be worse. Could be worse. Hey, I show this stuff, you know, just be honest about my flying experience. You know, it's kind of embarrassing. I could always edit this stuff out, act like it never happened. You know, maybe somebody that's new into flying, I mean, I don't have that much experience. I mean, I got a little bit, but people new into flying, you know, they see others crash, maybe they'll be like, oh hey, you know, it's not so bad. It happens to everyone. All right, watch. See how I flip that switch? You can hear it activate safe. Oh well. That's why it's good to bring 2 planes. Look, the sun's peeking out for a minute. I don't think we'll need flaps. Rudder, okay. Wow, that's right, I'm in the high rates for this. So this thing can really just turn. Wow, why is it? Let's come on down, buzz the tower. Look, I put the flaps down and it's just like, look at that. All right, let's practice a few landings here. And then what I need to do is get this thing out of safe mode and fly it around. Just whoa. All right, going up. Such a fun plane. Watch how fast you can take. This is without even flaps down. What's up? Oh yeah, we got the little crosswind. I had some rudder in there actually that time. Yeah, it's gusting pretty good from the side there. Oh, rudder, rudder, rudder. Here we go to the wild blue yonder. Here we go, na 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 na. Man, when I could do this low to the ground out of safe mode, that would be freaking amazing. I don't think I would dare right now. Whoa. See, even in safe mode, you can get in trouble because it obviously hit a gust right there that shook it. If I was too low, they bounce off the ground. I've already did that once today, not trying to repeat that. Let's set up for landing. See if we can do this nice and smooth. Yes. All right, we're up nice and high. Safe mode is off. Whoa. I think the thing that gets me the most out of safe mode is that it doesn't like self-level. I guess it kind of does after a little bit. It doesn't seem like the Apprentice does too much. See, if you get yourself into a really steep turn, you can get ugly really, really fast. See, look, this thing just wanting to automatically go that way. See, it's wanting to go to the left on its own. Guess I need to set the trim, huh? Whoa. Heart's pumping like those days when I first started flying. Woo. All right. Put it back in the safe. Let's see what the battery's at. Whoa. All right, let's just land it and figure out why I'm not getting any telemetry. Oh, there it goes, finally. I'm still, okay, I'm still in safe mode. Hey everyone, I don't want to bore you with, you know, my lame, full-scale model fly. Whoa! All right, everyone, I don't want to bore you. Oh, the flaps are still up, that's why. I don't want to bore you with me just putting around out here. Just wanted to share this exciting thing. Look, I got an airfield to fly in. Unfortunately, I still managed to bang up my apprentice, forgetting to put in safe. I think if I had a little more altitude, I would have been okay. I probably could have. And I had it in the high throw mode too, so when I went to turn, it really turned. Oh well, we'll get it fixed. My poor plane. So I guess a good thing I didn't bring the Habu. I don't know if I'm really ready to be out here by myself with that thing. So everyone, appreciate the support. I'm gonna go ahead and land this bad little plane right here. Then I'm gonna throw a new battery pack in, just kind of enjoy it without having a GoPro strapped to my head. Whoa! Always go out on a good landing, guys. All right, everyone. We'll get the apprentice fixed. Hopefully, Jeff said he'll come down here. We're either gonna fly here or the other field. We're gonna have some fun. We'll buddy box the Habu, and we'll get some. We'll get flying. I'll get proficient on that, and I can come out here and fly that by myself. Everyone, appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.